Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into your Microsoft or Xbox account because purchases tie to that profile. Once signed in, add a payment method or redeem a gift card so checkout is instant. This reduces interruptions. Make sure your console or PC is online and has sufficient storage space for the game you plan to buy. Then open the Microsoft Store app on your console or visit the store on a browser. This gets you to the storefront where searching and buying begins. You now search for the game, and while doing so, use filters to narrow by edition, platform, and price. This saves time. Once you find the title, compare standard versus deluxe or ultimate editions, and note included DLC or season passes so you know what you're buying. Make sure the game supports your console generation and whether cross-buy applies. Check the download size too. If everything matches your needs, select the desired edition and proceed to add it to cart or choose Buy Now to move to checkout. You finish by reviewing the cart and confirming your payment details. Apply any promo codes or gift cards before finalizing to save money. After purchase, start the download and pick an install location and enable automatic updates to keep the game current. If the download stalls or payment fails, verify your card or PayPal, ensure account region matches purchase, clear the store cache, and restart the console. If problems persist, contact Xbox support with your order ID for resolution. That completes the purchase.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.